and thanks for stopping by the channel. This is my summer tablescape where I'm just basically showing you how you can decorate on a budget. Everything in this design I already had. I shopped my home. I just really wanted to add a pop of color to this area. So of course the floral centerpiece is my favorite. The vase, I've had it for a long time. I liked this vase in this particular design because it had more of that rustic theme, but also if you look closely at the vase, you'll see it has the tint of gold and the flatware is gold. Everything again in this tablescape I already had. The placemats I've had for 2 or 3 years. The charger plate came from Hobby Lobby. The flat dinner plate, which is actually a plastic patio plate, I got those from Ross. Topped it off with a napkin ring holder, and the design is complete. I want to say thank you again for stopping by and just watching this video of a simple summer tablescape decorated on a budget. Stay tuned for more designs and videos. This is Freddie. I am Freddie King Home Decor, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.